students. My name is Pinky Shah and I will be teaching you today about alphabetical order. Students, you all know what are alphabets, right? Please say along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You all know what are alphabets. We are going to use these alphabets in order to sort the words in alphabetical order. So, today we will practice using the letters of the alphabet to sort words in a different way. We are going to learn how to alphabetize. This means to sort things by the order of the letter in the word. Sometimes we also call this putting things into alphabetical order. So, alphabetical order means words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter. Here, we will have a set of words. We will have different words. We will look at the first letter of the word and we will put them in alphabetical order. We will put them in order according to the alphabets. So, take an example. Here is Sangeeta along with her 5 friends. Write their names in alphabetical order. See, you can see that there are 6 names in this slide. Sangeeta, Vimal, Anisha, Yashmi, Binaya, Harpal. We will look at the first letter of these names. S in Sangeeta, V in Vimal, A in Anisha, Y in Yasmin, B in Binaya and H in Harpal. We have to, while sorting these names in alphabetical order, we have to look at the first letter of these names. Now we will say our alphabets. We will say ABCD, okay? While saying ABCD, whichever letter comes first, we will put the number on that name. A. We have name with A, Anisha. So Anisha will be 1. After A comes B. We have name with B, that is Binaya. So Binaya will be 2. C. We don't have any name with C. So we'll move ahead. D. No. E. No. F. No. G. No again. H. We have name with H. So Harpal will be 3. I. No. J. No. K. No. L. No. M. No. N. No. O. No. P. No. Q. No. R. No. S. Yes. Sangeeta. So Sangeeta will be 4. T. U. No. V. Vimal. So Vimal will be 5. W. X. Y. Yes. So Yasmin will be 6. So when we will write these names, Anisha will be first, second Binaya, third Harpal, 4 Sangeeta, 5 Vimal and 6 Yashmin. We have sorted this word in alphabetical order looking at the first letter. See another example. Write the names of these animals in alphabetical order. These are the names of animal and we have to sort them in alphabetical order. Let us look at the names first. Rabbit, wolf, deer, camel, zebra, tiger, snake, horse. In order to put these names in alphabetical order, we will look at their first letter. So, we will see at R in rabbit, W in wolf, D in deer, C in camel, Z in zebra, T in tiger, S in snake, and H in horse. We have to now say our alphabets so that we can put them in alphabetical order. We will start with A. We don't have any name with A, so we will move ahead. B, C. Yes, we have a name with C, camel. So camel will be first. D, we also have name with D. So deer will be 2. After D comes E. No. F, G, H. We have name with H. So H, horse will be 3. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. We have rabbit. So rabbit will be 4. S. We have snake. So snake will be 5. T. We have tiger. So tiger will be 6. U, V, W. Wolf will be 7. And which is left will be your last word, which is 8. So we have sorted these words according to the first letter of the word, and we have sorted this in alphabetical order. So when we put this letter in alphabetical order, the first word which we will write will be camel, deer, then horse, rabbit, snake, tiger, wolf, and zebra. So this is what alphabetical order means. Okay. Let us go ahead. Let us see another example. Mug, mat, monkey, milk. We have to arrange this in alphabetical order, but they all starts with M. How we will sort them now? Till now we were sorting according to the first letter, right? But they all are starting with M. The first letter is same. How we are supposed to arrange them now? So when the first letter of the words are same, we will look into the second letter of the words. So now we will concentrate on second letter, that is U in mug, A in mat, O in monkey, and I in milk. Now again we will put them and put numbers for our understanding so that we can sort them easily. A, do we have second letter A? Yes, we do. So mat will be first. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Do we have I? Yes. Milk. So number 2 will be milk. J, K, L, M, N, O. We have O. So monkey will be 3. And the word which is left is mug. So it will be number 4. Again, if the first letter of the given set of words is same, we will look into the second letter of the words. So the answer will be mat, milk, monkey, mug. Let us see another example. Look at the second letter. Let us first of all read the words. Apple, arrow, angel, again. Now these set of words are also starting with the same letter A, and we have to sort them in alphabetical order. So we will look at their second letter. So P in apple, R in arrow, N in angel, and G in again. So let us again put the numbers. We will do it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have second letter G. So again will be number 1. I, J, K, L, M, N. We have M. So angel will be number 2. O, P. We have P in apple. So apple will be 3 and arrow will be 4. So the answer which we got is again angel, apple, arrow. Let us again do the revision. Alphabetical order means when we sort the words according to the first letter of the alphabet. If the first letter of the words are same, we will look into the second letter and sort them in alphabetical order. I hope you all understood and you enjoyed. Thank you.